In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Memory Saver on Brave browser. If you've noticed some tabs reloading when you return to them, that's usually Brave's Memory Saver at work. It's designed to free up RAM by putting inactive tabs to sleep, which can be helpful on low-memory machines, but it can also interrupt your workflow. Turning it off keeps your tabs active, so media keeps playing, pages stay ready, and switching between tabs feels more seamless. Here's how to do it quickly and confidently. First, open your Brave browser. Make sure it's the desktop version on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. You don't need any special setup. Just have a window open and visible. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-line menu icon. This is often called the hamburger menu. If your window is very narrow, you might need to maximize it to see the icon clearly. From the menu that opens, click on Settings. This will open a new tab with Brave Settings page. You're in the right place when you see a left-hand sidebar with different categories and a main panel on the right. In the left sidebar, click on System. Depending on your version, the list may be long, so scroll if you don't see it immediately. System is where Brave groups performance-related controls. Now, in the System area, locate the section labeled Memory. This is where Brave explains how it manages resources. You should see an option called Memory Saver, along with a brief description that mentions reducing memory usage by freeing up resources from inactive tabs. To turn Memory Saver off, click the toggle switch next to it. When the toggle is off, it typically appears gray or moves to the left. That's your confirmation that Brave will stop putting inactive tabs to sleep. The change takes effect right away, and you don't need to restart the browser. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. With Memory Saver off, your tabs will stay active, which is great for continuous playback, quick tab switching, and web apps that need to run in the background. Keep in mind that this can use more RAM, especially if you keep many tabs open at once. If you ever want to reverse this and save resources again, you can come back to the same place and turn the toggle back on. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Memory Saver in Brave, ensuring your tabs remain active and your browsing stays uninterrupted.